Hey everybody, TWG7 here. I am here today to do my unboxing of my April bag, Glam bag from Ipsy, and I am super excited. I have to be honest. I peeked a little just because I wanted to know if there was anything that I could wear today while I did this video. And there is, and you'll see in a minute. So I'm going to assume that you know that Ipsy is a subscription service that you receive 5 items every month or as often as you like because there's no contract for a whopping $10. And we're going to move on from there, okay? If you are interested in getting Ipsy for yourself, look in the description below. You will find a link there. Okay, what have I got? This is the bag that Ipsy comes in. So when this bag comes, you get super excited, or at least I do, because I love my Ipsy bag. I don't know much details. I just peeked real quick to see if there was anything, and I looked away as quick as possible. Plus, I've got the memory issue, so hey, I don't remember even what I got, except for the one item. So we're going to pull it right out and put it on my lap, face down. The bag looks like this. Ooh. That's so pretty. I love it. It's all butterflies. How awesome is that, right? Let's find out what the theme is for this month, because there's always a theme for the month. Got the little card out. The theme is a social butterfly. Hey, how did they know me? I'm just wondering. Don't forget to head over to the Ipsy mobile app for inspo, ideas, and everything you need to know about your glam bag picks, which is absolutely true. They give you all sorts of tips as to what to do with the products they've sent and new ideas. It's really cool. I love it. They're on Facebook too, so we can get social with other Ipsters who love beauty too. So let's see what we got. We're going to start with what item I am actually wearing right now. Can you guess what it is? Take a wild guess. It's my lipstick. It is called... Oh, it's from Smashbox, by the way, and it's amazing. The name of it is Misconduct. I like it a lot. I actually absolutely love this lipstick. I put this on, and it does not come off. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. I can drink my coffee. I can have a cigarette. Yes, I smoke. I'll admit it. And I can, it doesn't come off at all. I have added a middle area here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. There is another color there I added just because, honestly, I was inspired by my dress here. The colors inside of this one are actually what match my lips, so I was going for that. I think it worked. When I did this, I did it with my Ish palette that I got from my FabFitFun box this past month that I actually did a video on, and then somehow I completely forgot to do my unboxing of it, which really sucks. What do you think? Should I do it? Is it too late? Let me know in the comments below. You want to see it? Because I do have the footage of it. I just haven't done anything with it. I actually completely forgot about it because I did so much that weekend. All right, we're moving on because there's only 5 items in here, and this video should not be 10 minutes long, right? The next item is a brush from firmabeauty.com. It looks to be an eyeshadow brush. What do you think? A blending brush, maybe? I am loving brushes. I do not think that we could ever have too many brushes. I've already said this, and I will say it again and again and again and again. I can't ever have too many brushes, so I am very happy about that. Next item. Feel Restored, a self-warming clay mask, pore opening and deeply cleansing. That's pretty cool. I'll try that. Why not? Have a chill day, put my mask on, and go kill some Peggies over in Far Cry 5. Next item. The next item in here is from Afra Cosmetics Blush Chameleon. It's used in palettes and kits. Now, last month, I got an eyeshadow from Douche, which I completely butchered the name, excuse me. But the eyeshadow is to die for. I love it. I actually have seriously considered getting the palette to add the magnetic little thing in there because I need more of it. I'm going to run out. I use it like every day. It's the middle color here. It's purpley, and I adore it. When you add it with like a blue beneath, it sort of blends together into an even more gorgeous purple. Today I have a darker, I would say maroonish color on my base here, and I've added it in, and it did it again. It just added that beautiful purple blend to it. It makes me very happy. So I will definitely try out this Afra blush and see about their compacts that they have, because that's really, I like that idea a lot, that you can swap out what you like into the compacts. That makes me happy. The next item is, let's see what it is, Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. I'll tell you what, I love my coffee, and I think that if I love coconut oil, I like sugar, but sugar doesn't like me so much. But if I'm using it as a scrub and that coffee gets in my pores and makes me even perkier, I will not complain one bit. So that is my Ipsy bag for this month, and I have to say I am very, very happy again. I am going to continue to get them every single month because they make me so happy. And they're only $10, for God's sakes. So we have the butterfly bag. We have the blending brush. We have the coconut and coffee sugar scrub. We have the full size Afra blush Chameleon. We have the self-warming face mask, which I will definitely be using while I play Far Cry 5 on my Xbox. And we have my most gorgeous Misconduct lipstick from Smashbox. Anything that is time saving, that makes me happy, because I take so long to do everything, including this video, which I'm now going to have to edit down. By the way, at this moment where I'm about to end this, I am at 9 minutes and 22, 23, 24 seconds. So the final one will not be that long, and you get to know how long it took me to get through this and figure things out. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed seeing my unboxing. I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon. And make sure that you be as much of a social butterfly as you can, because getting to know people can be a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, because at the moment I am almost at 100 subscribers, and once we're there, the new URL is going to be www.youtube.com/TWG7sings. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye for now.